Tata Luxury Bus, designed for comfort and elegance, redefines travel. Step inside, and you're greeted with plush, spacious interiors, offering ample legroom and ergonomic seating for a smooth ride. The advanced climate control system ensures a pleasant atmosphere, while large windows provide scenic views. With state-of-the-art safety features and top-notch entertainment options, every journey is a luxurious experience. Whether for business or leisure, the Tata Luxury Bus ensures you travel in style, making every trip memorable and comfortable. The Tata Luxury Bus offers an unparalleled travel experience, blending comfort, style, and innovation. With spacious interiors, plush seating, and modern amenities, every journey feels like a retreat. Advanced climate control ensures the perfect temperature, while large windows provide stunning views of the road ahead. Designed with safety in mind, the bus features top-tier security systems, making each ride not just luxurious, but also secure. Whether it's for a long trip or a short getaway, Tata Luxury Bus ensures that every mile is traveled in ultimate comfort. Experience the ultimate in travel with the Tata Luxury Bus. Designed for comfort and convenience, it features plush seating, ample legroom, and state-of-the-art amenities to ensure a smooth journey. With advanced climate control, excellent safety features, and a premium entertainment system, every ride feels like a five-star experience. Whether you're traveling for business or leisure, the Tata Luxury Bus delivers comfort, style, and reliability, making every trip a memorable one. Travel in style with the luxury bus, where comfort meets convenience. With spacious, plush seating, ample legroom, and a smooth, quiet ride, every journey is a pleasure. The climate control system ensures perfect temperature, while high-end entertainment options keep you relaxed throughout the trip. Designed with safety in mind, the luxury bus guarantees peace of mind on the road. Whether for business or leisure, it's the perfect way to travel in comfort,